just to quote, getting this digital thread going is the way that you will be, you're able to respond quickly to changes. Over the last 20 years, the biggest changes I've seen has been everybody has the same product but personalized for different customers. That change of all these individual changes and be able to respond. And of course, the Amazon problem where everybody expects everything that they want to be ordered today and show up tomorrow. Those things we've got to be able to respond to those. Right, so Chris did slightly mention our partnerships with Siemens. You can see a lot of Siemens products listed there, all the Op Center suite, various other items, even one of our old logos. But we're a systems integrator. We don't necessarily just push one product. We are trying to get the best product out of the whole suite of things that we have access to. So today we are going to talk pretty much about scheduling and the interface between the orders that you have and how you're going to execute those orders, how you're going to plan those orders correctly and optimize your schedule. So taking a look at the screen here, the objective is to get that schedule to be able to start working at the right time with the right parts, having delivered the right raw materials so that those things can go through your shop floor in an optimum fashion. And we also want, the big one there is to be able to balance efficiency without the door. So you can run the same product for 3 weeks, but if you're making other people's products late because you're focusing on those things, that's not going to help. So there's a balance there. The software that we have allows you to create that balance and investigate, which is the best way for me to schedule. On the screen there, you can see 2 people with whiteboards. I was in a plant a month ago that still does this. They still have whiteboards. They're moving magnets around on whiteboards to do their scheduling. Extremely inefficient. One of the things you'll see as we go through is the ability to react quickly is obviously not good with a whiteboard. So if you've got 5 operations on one machine, figuring out the optimum way is pretty easy. All of these little particular options, that's only 120 different combinations of the way to schedule an order or 5 orders or whatever happens to be. That you can do in Excel, no problem. It's when you start getting to that many, double the number of orders, I've now got extra machines to do. Some of my customers have, dozens of machines that they're trying to schedule. Trying to do that in an Excel is kind of hard because that's 14,000 different operations. Somewhere in the 14,400 combinations of the way to schedule is the optimum way to schedule. And that's what we want to find with our software.